everyone, welcome to Sourcetable. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Sourcetable's command bar and show you a little bit about how you can use it. So when you open up a new workbook, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command K to bring up a menu of options. And in this menu, you have 4 options: Insert Link, Magic Autofill, Clean Data, and Ask Me Anything. And if you click into a cell with data, you have an additional option. So if I come over to my data set and hit Command K, now I have this additional Summarize option. So let's just go through what each of these options can do for you. So first we have the Insert Link option. This allows you to add a hyperlink to the text in your cell. So for example, if I wanted to link this cell to an article about oxygen consumption, I could just click into the cell, hit Command K, and click Insert Link, and this is where I can paste my link. Now I'll just click Create Link, and now the text in my cell is hyperlinked. The next option in the menu is Summarize, and for this feature, it's best if you actually select multiple cells to summarize. So for example, I'll just select all of my data about age and sex, hit Command K, and click Summarize. And what this does for you is it just gives you a quick summary about the data you have selected. The next option is the Magic Autofill tool, and this feature is pretty cool, and it's really great for when you are missing data or you need to fill in a bunch of cells using the context from the surrounding cells. So in my data set, I am missing some data in my intensity column. I could just go through each row one by one and decide what the intensity is, or I could even create some kind of formula to calculate intensity for me. But an even quicker option would be to use the Magic Autofill tool. So to use this feature, all you need to do is select a few populated cells along with the unpopulated cells that you want filled and click Magic Autofill. And there we go. The AI used the context from the rows above as well as the columns across to estimate the intensity for each row. The next option is Clean Data. This is another really cool feature that Sourcetable offers, and it's pretty straightforward to use. So this duration column of data needs to be cleaned up. There's no consistency in how minutes is presented, and I even have one entry that is recorded in hours. So to clean this up, all I need to do is highlight my data along with the column header and click Clean Data. And just like that, all my entries are uniform. The last option in the command bar is Ask Me Anything. So you can use this option a couple of different ways. You can use it as a search bar to search for features like bold or border or even format. Or you can use it as an AI assistant. So for example, I can highlight my duration column and just type into the command bar, convert from minutes to hours. Now I'll just click Ask AI, and there we go, my data was converted to hours. So those are all of the features in the command bar. I hope you're able to utilize this menu to get your work done quicker. Thanks for watching.